Welcome to BrickLoop, your all-in-one construction management app. In this video, let's walk through how to set up your account. If you don't have an account, click on sign up and get started. And then enter your personal details like name, email ID, phone number, password and confirm password and click on next. Choose how you want to get started. You can join a company or create a new company. If you are creating a new company, click on this create new company and fill in all the details and then click on create company. Your admin dashboard is ready. If you are joining an existing company, click on this join existing company and then enter the company code given by the admin. Your employee dashboard opens instantly, linked directly to your company. Now you're all set. Don't forget to download the BrickLoop